Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be exploring Antarctica. Right here is my cousin. He's gonna be exploring Antarctica with us. Without further ado, let's get going. Today I'm going to be playing in first person because this is sort of an hobby. And hold on, what's the next forecast? It's low avalanche hazard. That's not good. But I think we'll be okay. My cousin is probably going to be zooming ahead of us because I would normally be on a call with him if he's in the game and I would ask him to wait for me. But, you know, yeah. And by the way, if you guys would like to be in a video, just comment your Roblox username, and comment when you're open for videos. Cause I could do a video with you on the strongest battlegrounds, and the Antarctica exploration game, and any game. I could even do it with you in Among Us. That right there is my cousin, Cat. No, I die a bunch. I'm a raid, bro. Wait, this looks exactly the same as before. Why is it like this? Ooh, this is kind of hard. Bro. This is kind of hard, bro. This is kind of hard, brother. I see what I have to do here. Oh. Nah.
Roger, and I have the electric on the radar. Roger. You said 12 o'clock.
No, that really just happened. Well, I guess this was a quick video. Yeah. If you want to be in a video like this one or any other videos, just comment your usernames for either Roblox or Among Us and comment when you're open. Thanks. Remember guys, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.